Did you know that before alarm clocks existed, people hired knocker-uppers to wake them up on time? These dedicated individuals would walk the streets in the early morning, tapping on windows with long sticks or using pea shooters to reach the upper floors. In the industrial era, their service was essential to ensure workers got to their shifts. Imagine depending on a knock or a well-aimed pea to start your day. Would you trust a knocker-upper with your morning routine?
Subscribe for more intriguing historical jobs. Stay curious, the world is full of wonders.